You can now say goodbye to complex passwords and start using Windows Hello to unlock your device using your fingerprint. Just follow these simple easy steps. Go to Settings, select Accounts, choose Sign In Options, and select Windows Hello Fingerprint. Click Setup. Choose Get Started. Enter your PIN. If you don't have a PIN, you'll need to create one to set up the fingerprint reader. Scan your finger on Litebook's fingerprint reader. You may choose to repeat the process with another finger or close the program. That's it. You may now log in using your fingerprint.